Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Matic. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. And the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. So we can plot that on the chart. Now we also notice a key level right here, as well as a key resistance level. So we can see how price swung between these resistance and support levels before breaking through all the way up to our monthly swing high. And now we notice a monthly support level formed right here. Now to the weekly. So here on the weekly, we can fine tune our monthly level, as we can see price reacting to this level from these candles over here acting as resistance before price broke through, and we see price reacting to the same level acting as support. Now, we can also notice key levels right here. We see price acting to the level as support and resistance. So, multiple reactions to the level acting as support and resistance. Now we also notice another key level right here. And we can see how price has been moving in between these two levels. It was established by the swing low and a drastic reversal from this point forming support. And we can see price reacting to the same level acting as support here. So zooming out, these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.